Hello, hello, guys. Welcome back. Agora, olha só, algum vocabulário novo que é importante que a gente aprenda e depois um pouco mais de prática. Olha só. What is this? This is a street. What is a street? É uma rua, right? A street. Vamos lá, repeat. Street. Perfect. E essa daqui? Avenue. Vamos lá, repeat. Avenue. Again. Avenue. Perfect. Avenida. Right? And this one, boulevard. Vamos lá. Boulevard. Again, boulevard. Perfect. The street is. Como é que é estreita? Narrow. Narrow é estreita, só que ele é mais estreita do que a avenue. Então, como é que fica no superioridade? The street is narrower than the avenue, right? The street is narrower than the avenue. E olha só, the avenue, o oposto. The avenue is wider than the street. Ao contrário, né? The opposite. Se the street is narrower, é mais estreita, the avenue is wider, é mais larga, right? Então, the street is narrower than the avenue. So, the avenue is wider than the street. Is the street narrower than the avenue? Yes, it is. Is the avenue wider than the street? Yes, it is. Se a street é mais estreita, the avenue é mais larga, is wider, right? The street is shorter, é mais curta, is shorter, shorter than the avenue. Is the street shorter than the avenue? Yes, it is. Is the street longer than the avenue? No, it isn't. The street is shorter than the avenue. E é a mesma coisa que acontece com a boulevard. The avenue is shorter, não é longer, né? The avenue is shorter and narrower than the boulevard. Because the boulevard is longer and wider than the avenue, né? É o oposto, the opposite. The boulevard é mais larga e mais longa. Então, the avenue é mais estreita e mais curta, right? Muito bem, então vamos lá. Is the avenue shorter or longer than the boulevard? The avenue is shorter than the boulevard. Is the boulevard shorter or longer than the avenue? The boulevard is longer than the avenue. Is the avenue wider or narrower than the boulevard? The avenue is narrower than the boulevard. Perfect. So, is the boulevard wider or narrower than the avenue? The boulevard is wider than the avenue. Ela é mais larga do que a avenida, right? Então, so, what's the difference? A diferença, qual é a diferença? What's the difference between the street and the avenue? The street is shorter and narrower than the avenue. Perfect, perfect. What's the difference between the avenue and the boulevard? The avenue is shorter and narrower, or narrower and shorter than the boulevard. Perfect. Which is shorter, the boulevard, the avenue, or the street? Which is shorter? The street is shorter. Perfect. Which is wider? The boulevard is wider. Which is longer? The boulevard is longer. Perfect. What's the difference between the avenue and the street? The avenue is longer and wider than the street. Perfect. Então vamos lá. Repeat the question. What's the difference between the avenue and the street? Again, what's the difference between the avenue and the street? Again. Perfect. And the answer is, what's the difference between the avenue and the street? Perfect. The avenue is longer and wider than the street. Perfect. Perfeito. Muito bem. Agora, dá uma olhadinha. What is LAX? LAX, what is this? É plane. Então, LAX é airport. Perfect. Is Long Beach also an airport? Yes, it is. What's the difference between LAX and Long Beach Airport? What's the difference? LAX is international and Long Beach Airport is national. Perfect. Vamos lá. Vamos lá, repeat. National. Again, national. International. Lembra que o Tzinho pode ter som de R. Então, international também pode dizer, ou então international. All right, again. National, international. Perfect. Is LAX national or international? Perfect. LAX is international. Is Long Beach Airport national or international? Long Beach Airport is national. Então, so, what's the difference between LAX and the Long Beach Airport? Repete a pergunta primeiro. Repeat the question. What's the difference between LAX and Long Beach Airport? Again, what's the difference between LAX and the Long Beach Airport? All right, and the answer is, what's the difference between LAX and the Long Beach Airport? Perfect. LAX is international and Long Beach Airport is national. Perfect. Muito bem, muito bem. Agora, para a gente praticar um pouquinho as distâncias. Olha só, para a gente conhecer um pouco as distâncias dentro da cidade. How far is it from Manhattan Beach to downtown? Vamos lá, repeat the question. How far is it from Manhattan Beach to downtown? Again, how far is it from Manhattan Beach to downtown? All right, and the answer is, how far is it from Manhattan Beach to downtown? It's around, lembra, around, por volta de, around 31 miles. All right. Então, de novo, how far is it from Manhattan Beach to downtown? It's around 31 miles. Perfect. How far is it from Santa Monica to Malibu? It's 18 miles, right? 18 miles é muita coisa, né? Porque Malibu é um bairro muito comprido. A praia é muito comprida, alright? Muito bem. How far is it from Manhattan Beach to Hermosa Beach? It's 2 miles. Perfect. Olha só o que acontece. Você pode me perguntar, how far is it from Manhattan Beach to Hermosa Beach? Aí eu respondo, it's not far. It's close. Ó, it's close. Aí você pergunta, how close is it? How close? O quão perto é? Né? Se eu te digo, it's close. How close is it? Então, nesse caso, é realmente close, olha lá. 2 miles. Então, how close is it from Manhattan Beach to Hermosa Beach? It's 2 miles. It's only 2 miles. Right? Only 2 miles. A gente caminha, porque a praia continua. Depois eu vou fazer a filmagem para vocês verem. How far is it from Manhattan Beach to Venice Beach? Oh, Manhattan Beach, Venice Beach. How far is it from Manhattan Beach to Venice Beach? It's 10 miles. Perfect. Aqui realmente é far, né? All right. How far is it from LAX to Manhattan Beach? It's 4 miles. Perfect. Perfect. Beleza? Deu para entender tudo, não deu? Não tá difícil, são detalhes que a gente vai gravando, praticando mais. Então capricha aí e depois volta para a gente continuar. Alright? Agora vamos para o nosso diálogo. See you later, everybody!